Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So from today's video onwards, I'm going to explain each and every chapter of NCERT books that we have decided to study. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the chapter 1 of Class 6 Geography NCERT, which is titled as The Earth in the Solar System. So if you clearly see the title, it is clearly telling us about solar system and the Earth. So first let's see what is the meaning of solar system. So this solar system is a part of galaxy, and these galaxies are a part of universe. So let's try to understand what is a universe. A universe is nothing but it is a collection of millions of galaxies. So here if you see, this is a universe, and this universe has millions of galaxies, and galaxy is nothing but it is a huge collection of stars, gases, and clouds of dust. Right? It is clear. So universe is nothing but it is a millions of galaxies, and when millions of galaxies are formed, it is known as universe. A galaxy is nothing but it is a system of collection of stars, gases, and clouds of dust. So in these millions of galaxy, one such galaxy is known as Milky Way, which is also known as Akash Ganga. So in this Milky Way galaxy, there is a solar system. Like in this galaxy, a solar system is there, and now we are going to study about it. I hope it is clear for you. Let me tell you one more time. So this is universe, and this universe is formed when there are millions of galaxies together. So a galaxy is nothing but it is a collection of billions of stars, gases, and clouds of dust. So in these billions of galaxies, one galaxy is known as Milky Way galaxy. So here you can see the picture. Here in this picture we have a white spot. This is known as Milky Way galaxy, and in this Milky Way galaxy we have solar system. Now let's see what is the meaning of solar system. So if you clearly see here, the word solar in Roman mythology is related to sun. So here you can clearly tell that solar system has something that is related to sun. So clearly solar system contains the sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some celestial bodies. Now here we have come across a new term which is known as celestial bodies. So once let's see what is the meaning of celestial bodies and what are those bodies. So celestial bodies are nothing but objects which shine in the night sky. Like if you see night sky, there are some tiny objects that are shining in the sky. So those are called celestial bodies, and these celestial bodies include sun and moon also, because they also shine in the sky, right? So the sun, moon, and objects that shine in the night sky are called celestial bodies. And in these celestial bodies, we have stars and planets as well. So there is a difference between stars and planets. That is, celestial bodies which are very big and hot, which are made up of gases and which have their own heat and light, are called stars. That is, these celestial bodies have their own heat and light, and they do not require any other bodies help. But whereas planets do not have their own heat and light, and they require light from stars. So to shine in the sky, they take light from the stars. So such bodies are called planets. So for stars and planets, the major difference is their heat and light. For stars, they have their own heat and light, whereas planets, they do not have their own heat and light. I think it is clear. Now, coming back, so in solar system we have sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies. Here we have already seen the meaning of celestial bodies, and in these celestial bodies we have two other celestial bodies as asteroids and meteoroids. So asteroids are nothing but they are tiny bodies, like they are very tiny bodies which move around the sun. Okay, so they are asteroids, whereas meteoroids are small piece of rocks which move around the sun. So here also both asteroids and meteoroids move around the sun, but asteroids are tiny bodies which move around the sun, whereas meteoroids are small pieces of rocks that move around the sun. Okay, these asteroids can be seen between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, whereas these meteoroids can be found anywhere. Particularly these meteoroids come near the earth. Like when you see the sky, sometimes there will be a moving object coming towards the earth. So when that moving object, due to friction, comes towards the earth and falls on the earth, due to its heat, there will be a small hole that is created whenever it falls on the earth. So those are called meteoroids, and asteroids are nothing but small tiny bodies. So this is the difference between these two. Now moving back, so in solar system we have seen it has sun. So sun will be the head of the solar system. That is, sun is in the center of solar system, and it is made up of extremely hot gases, and this sun has 8 planets around it. So we have already seen the meaning of planets. So here the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Again, these planets are classified into two: inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are very close to sun, and they are made up of gases. Sorry, they are made up of rocks. And these inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Whereas outer planets are very far from the sun, and they are made up of gases and liquids. And these outer planets include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And these outer planets are also called as gaseous planets. So out of 8 planets, Earth is the only planet which supports life. So from here onwards, that is in our further classes also, we are going to discuss only about Earth and what are the favorable conditions that has life, and what are the components that has in the atmosphere, and about its structure. Everything we are going to see. So in this video, for now, we are going to just understand what are the favorable conditions that support life. So Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun, and in terms of size it is fifth largest planet, and its shape is also geoid. That is slightly it is flattened at the poles. And Earth has some favorable conditions to support life, like it is not too cold, not too hot. It has a balanced climate, and it has water, air and some life supporting gases like oxygen. So all these reasons make Earth a unique planet in the solar system. So we have already seen that in solar system there are satellites. So satellite is nothing but a celestial body that move around the planets in the same direction in which planets move around the sun. Like for example, if a planet is moving in clockwise direction around the sun, the satellite also moves around the sun in the same direction the planet is moving. That is, the satellites also moves in clockwise direction around the sun. If this planet is moving in anti-clockwise direction, the satellite also moves in anti-clockwise direction. So that is a satellite. Now moving back, in Earth we have seen that Earth has life supporting conditions. So Earth has one satellite which is nothing but moon. This moon also moves around the earth in 27 days. This 27 days span is nothing but it takes time to complete one spin. That is, moon moves around the earth in 27 days, and it takes the exact time to complete one spin. So when you observe the night sky, we only see one side of the moon. This is because moon takes 27 days to complete one spin, and it also takes the same time to move around the move around the earth. So always we see one side of the moon only. So this is about Earth and its satellite moon. So I hope you have understood whatever concept I have told you. So this is all for today. So in this chapter we have learned about universe, galaxy, solar system and 8 planets, and about celestial bodies, and about earth and its shape, and what are the favorable conditions that support life on earth, and some points about moon. So in next chapter we are going to learn about globe. That is, we are going to learn about the latitudes and longitudes. How are these latitudes and longitudes helpful for us, and why we use latitudes and longitudes? With the help of these latitudes, longitudes, how can we decide the time? So all these things will be learnt in our next chapter. So until then, take care. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.